Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, remote trunk release. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.